Metadatas. A lot of search engine optimizers will tell you metadatas are not really important for search engines. Yeah, you're right. But the truth is, you are not creating content for search engine. You are creating content for search engine users. And users are searching because they want more information, because they want detailed information. And these are the things you can do with metadatas. Metadatas allows you to integrate the nitty-gritty of some information that you may not be able to include in the main context, but you can integrate it into the content of your web page. So it means people are not just getting the information they want, they're getting more than the information they want. They're getting more. And this is something you should be doing. You should always strive to deliver more. So with metadatas, you can deliver more information, the little tiny bits of information that people really think doesn't matter, like date of birth, director of a movie. These are the things you can incorporate and integrate with metadatas. For more information on metadatas, there's a link in the resource section. You can check it out and get up to speed with metadatas.